Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about some of our favorite styles of flashlights, and you can find them all at KnifeCenter.com. Our first love will always be knives, as they're some of the most versatile tools you can have in your arsenal, but they only really work when you're able to see what you're doing. Whether for everyday jobs, emergencies, or tactical situations, a flashlight is an essential tool to have on hand. Also, like knives, there are different categories of lights to consider, each with their own set of advantages for a given situation. For example, maybe you're looking for a compact flashlight to be part of your EDC. If you do a lot of work in dimly lit areas, having a compact, lightweight flashlight that provides plenty of battery life is ideal. Olight's S1R2 is a great light that you can carry in your pocket just as easily as you do your knives. And since it's rechargeable, it'll be easy to keep it at full power. The easiest way to have a flashlight with you every day is with a keychain flashlight. Modern LEDs have allowed manufacturers to create high-quality lights in smaller sizes, making carrying a flashlight as simple as sliding it onto your keyring. They're perfect for when you have to raid a dark attic or find something that fell behind the couch. Olight's i3 series has been a favorite of ours because of its bright beam and the fact that it uses widely available AAA batteries, meaning it's easy to keep the light powered without a charger. If you're part of the tactical crowd, you're going to want your flashlight to function as more than just a light. You want something that's ruggedly constructed to withstand the elements and the potential to be used for striking. Tactical flashlights tend to pack a lot of features that make them ideal for emergencies or self-defense, often including crenellated bezels or grip retention rings. The Fenix TK15 UE fits the bill perfectly and is a fantastic option to keep in your home, EDC bag, or car. But what if you're working on a job and you need to use both of your hands? You won't always have a buddy to hold the light for you, so a headlamp style light is perfect for getting those jobs done, and is also a fantastic option for any nighttime activity like bicycling or hiking trails. AceBeam's H15 LED headlamp is a wonderful option for offering everything you need to keep your hands free while providing great performance and a durable build. These are all great lights, but what if you truly want the best and the brightest? LED technology has allowed manufacturers to push the envelope and make flashlights ever brighter and smaller at the same time. While having a multi-thousand lumen flashlight might seem like overkill, there are certain times where nothing else will do. Whether you have a lot of land, participate in search and rescue, or need to punch through ambient dim conditions, you need the power to light up as much area as possible. That's where the highest end flashlights really shine. The Fenix RC40 is an awesome 6,000 lumen flashlight with a 730 meter throw distance that is sure to light up the night. Regardless of the application, from a minor everyday task to a life or death situation, having the right flashlight for the job is essential, and you can find the best light for you at KnifeCenter.com. To get your hands on any of these high-powered lights, click the link in the description below. And to keep up with all our knife and flashlight-related content, be sure to like and subscribe. In the meantime, don't forget to check out the original and best online catalog of cutlery, KnifeCenter.com, and check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and lights on the web.